Good morning. Welcome to the life of Lola Banks. I'm Lola Banks, and this morning I couldn't sleep last night because this book was bothering me. So I drove an hour and 5 minutes back to Conway to Ollie's. I'm going back to Ollie's. Just pulling a parking lot, but I had to let Mama's out to go potty, which she didn't. So I don't know why she was whining. I have no clue. So yeah, I'm about to leave her in the car and run in here and get this book and head back home to get my god freaking water fixed and pay some bills. And yeah, that's what we doing today because this book bothered me. So I'm going inside and get this damn book. I am coming from here for one thing and one thing only. My damn book. And I'm headed home. And we are back. Hopefully they have it. Hopefully I did not drive all the way here for no reason. I'll be very upset. Okay, let me look and I'll be back. I found another African American novel by a black author. Yep. Okay, there are a few black books in here. Yeah. On the Black Friend. Okay. I see you, Ollie, from Myrtle Beach. Why in the hell the book was left where I left it? It was meant for me. Okay? It was so meant for me. Let's go. I'm going the fuck home now. I got my book. It's time to get back on this road and go home. Currently gassing up now. This trip cost me, with the book was $3.23. So with the book and gas, this trip cost me $13.23. Way better than buying it from Barnes and Noble's. Hardback would have cost me $28. $30 extra taxes and stuff. I don't got time, so I took that drive. Yes. Okay, I had to run back from Conway from getting my book to come home. I have a serious leak underneath my house. Y'all see that? That is crazy work. And that bastard that my grandma hired supposed to have been fixed this shit a long time ago. That's why the floor is currently cut up the fuck up like it is and has a board. Because he has supposed to have been fixed it. But he didn't. So now I gotta pay an arm, leg, and a thigh for Jordan and Sons to fix it. So sick of these people.